So we have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. And we need to solve it simultaneously. There are two ways to solve simultaneous equations. The first one is by elimination, where you try to eliminate the x or the y. But here I can't easily manipulate. For example, I can't make 2 become a 5 easily. I need to multiply by 5 over 2, the whole equation, so that I get 5x and I eliminate. So it's a bit harder to do it through elimination. So here we decide to do it by substitution. So I start with equation 2. From 2, 2x plus 8y equals 7. I try to make x a bigger formula. So I move the 8y to the other side, becomes minus 8y. Then x will be 7 minus 8y divided by 2, because it's times 2 here on the left. This becomes equation 3. Then what I do is I replace equation 3 in equation 1, because we didn't use equation 1 yet. So equation 1 was 5x plus 6y equal to 14. Since I'm replacing 3 in 1, I use the result of 3, which is x is 7 minus 8y over 2. So I replace the x in this equation by 7 minus 8y over 2. I get this equation. Then we have a divide by 2. So to eliminate the divide by 2, we multiply by 2. So I multiply each term by 2. So I multiply 5 over 2 times 2 gives me 5. 6 times 2 gives me 12. 14 times 2 gives me 28. I end up having an equation with a bracket. So I expand the bracket. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times minus 8 minus 40y plus 12y is equal to 28. Then I have two terms having y as unknown. So I group them together. I group the numbers together. So the 35 goes to the right-hand side. It becomes minus 35. Then minus 40y plus 12y is minus 28y. 28 minus 35 is minus 7. I make y sub equal formula, so you get minus 7 over minus 28, which becomes 1/4. This is the y. I take the y, I replace in equation 3, because it's the easiest equation to get x actually, because it's already x in terms of y. So here we do the calculation. We're replacing y by 1/4. The 4 goes into a 2 times. 7 minus 2 divided by 2, which is 5 over 2. And we can leave it as a fraction. There's no need to actually write it as 2.5 if you want to write as decimal. So always give as exact values wherever possible. Or if we can't actually give as a fraction, then we give 3 significant figures. Okay? Good.